Thank you very much, Paul, for the kind introduction of myself and also of today's webinar. I'm very blessed, dear ladies and gentlemen, that you are joining this first webinar of our GenCom Spring Series of in total 5 webinars or event dates. Okay, this is myself. On this slide, you can see the agenda of today. I will give you a small introduction into the topic of hydrogen optimization today. Paul will give you, after my short introduction, another welcome. And we have 3 speakers today. It's a very tight program, and so I want to introduce it in short. Michael Reinstädtler from Bosch will report on the work and goals in the field of hydrogen of the Bosch company, especially the Bosch site in Hamburg in the federal state of Saarland. The second presentation today will be given from my former colleague and Hermann Guss. He's working for the company IZES, and he will report what is going on in the county Saar-Pfalz, in the southeast part of Saarland, which is Hamburg, the capital. And the last presentation will be given by my colleague Jan, and this presentation deals with public acceptance and participation concerning hydrogen applications. Here you can see what we are doing the last 2 years. We are planning the IZES pilot plant of solar-powered hydrogen refueling station. It is located at the headquarters of IZES, and this pilot plant here is more or less the spark in Saarland to come into the hydrogen economy or in the technologies. We started this project in 2015, end of 15, and at present the station is installed on our site. It is operated with a solar panel or solar area of 30 kW, and for the production of hydrogen, 2 different kinds of electrolyzers are used. One is a PEM, the other one is a AEM. It's a more or less new technology here. We have 60 kilograms storage. One stage is 450 bar, the other is 950 bar, and the HRS can fill up passenger cars with a maximum pressure level of 700 bars. And Paul will give you an overview about the other 2 pilot plants of the GenCom project. From this initial project, together with the colleague Michael Reinstädtler and others from the Bosch site in Hamburg, we developed a single industrial project. It should be starting in May, and the purpose is the sector coupling of hydrogen usage on an industrial production site. This next step will be that we want to develop concept studies for 3 more Bosch production sites, so we can integrate more industrial sectors into the general concept. And the goal is to transfer the findings and results of this project to the whole Bosch group and also other industrial companies. And so what I want to say or want to show is that with this project, we can have a worldwide impact, not only at the Bosch employees, such also for other companies and for the community in other countries. From this point, we we start another project. Is a multi-industrial project, and it involves not only the companies itself, it involves also the local and the regional community stakeholders. And that is something new. This multi-industrial project should produce green hydrogen with a central electrolyzer, should supply 5 companies, and also a refueling station for lorries, trucks, and also passenger cars. And with regard to the capitalization call, which is currently under, or which was the deadline in January, and the decision of this capitalization call and the application we submitted is on the 24th of March. I want to say that we combine 2 different things, or 2 different projects. One is the multi-industrial and multi-sector project within the community of the city of Hamburg, and the other one is to develop together with the guys in the Saarpfalz county a concept for public transport based on fuel cell buses. And the last presentation today deals with the public acceptance of and the user participation in the context of the transition to a more sustainable energy system, which is based on renewable sources. And we have one saying, and that says that the best chance to finish an issue is to start working on it. In this context, it means that this is surely true for all technical things and developments, but we all should have in mind that the success of these technical components is strongly dependent on the potential users. And the last presentation today, Jan will give us an overview in the topics of the user acceptance and user involvement, and in this case, especially concerning to hydrogen technologies. Again, thank you very much for joining our webinar today. I wish you all interesting presentations, and now I will give back to Paul and to the moderator. Thank you very much.